DPW is a 6 million in float stock. It is looking for some hype. Still moving on up right here. So guys, DPW right now is bringing in a lot of attention, a lot of hype. Most likely it will run up towards around that $1 mark and then probably fall from there. DPW issues an update to investors. So right now, DPW at the moment is bringing in all the hype. I'd watch for it. Just went on about a 30-cent spike, so we'd have to watch some sort of pullback. But this is where all the hype currently is at. See, here's $1, which is the resistance line. $1, which is resistance. This is where the mob currently is at. This is where the hype is currently at. So we do have, again, a very strong wall. We do have 85 cents support on this play. 85 cents support on DPW. So right now, guys, I'm going to probably look for a bounce play. Maybe right here on DPW. Just, you know, to kick off my day. Let's see, DPW, 86 cents. And then try to look back up towards around that 98 cent mark, or 0.98. You know, that would be awesome. Even 0.97. Stop loss. Let's give it around that 0.83 mark on DPW. So DPW, let's see if we get a nice push right here. See if the stock could get a nice little move. So right here, again, it is trying to look like it's setting up for maybe like a little bit of a bull flag pattern. Setting up for a little bit of a bull flag pattern. That's where most attention is towards, though, DPW. It has gone on a nice rip so far, no doubt about that. Has gone on a nice rip so far. And that's why, again, we are just, you know, in this consolidation phase. We have a lot of hot momentum. We do have a nice little bull flag right here as well. A lot of hype could easily come into this play. I do want to see if we're going to get a nice pop, though, on this stock. You know, get at least back up towards around that $1 mark. Up to 93 cents right now on DPW. And it's just kind of, it is building higher lows. So that is what I'm looking at the moment on DPW. And here it is, right at 94 cents, guys. Right along this 94 cent mark, I am going to probably start locking in something on DPW. So here it is, right to 96 cents, guys. 96, 98, locking out. Locking out right here, personally, on DPW. Locking out right here on DPW, right below $1. Right below $1 right here. Let me get out of my shares. Come on, come on, come on. And I just went through. So I'm out on DPW. So DPW, I am currently out. Right there, and I did just finish off this day with some green, which I'm very happy about. And again, shout out to you guys if you just made some easy cash. If you are looking for this stock to even run on some more, that is awesome as well. And it does look like it may break. You know, it might break, and that would be awesome. So I just made $553. $553, guys, on my DPW play. And here it is. So I have DPW, 8,000 shares. I got in at 87 cents. Got in at 87 cents. I got out at 94 cents. Right now it's at 98 cents. I wish I was still in. I'm not, though, because I lock in my profits early. But I made $553 on my Friday right here, guys. 553 bucks on my Friday, just locked in, just like that. And DPW still looking for more. So it's at 99 cents. So again, I lock in my profits when I have them, guys. That's me. That's what I do. But DPW still at $1 right here. Nice job so far. Good job, team. You know, making some easy cash right there. So how did we figure out DPW? DPW, just want to take you all the way back to the start right here. How did we find this play? How did I play this play? How did I know there's going to be a bounce play opportunity? DPW, go on yahoofinance.com. We could see this morning, 3 hours ago, it came out with DPW Corporation issues end of quarter investor update. Okay, not our keywords that we usually look at, but it was gapping up in pre-market. It's a low float stock. It's worth the watch. So what do we have here? It's worth the read, I mean. A growth company seeking to increase revenues through acquisitions and organic growth today announced that its customer order backlog has increased to over $65 million, an increase of $8 million from the prior update. The increase was attributed to organic growth from new and current customers of DPW and the consolidation financial reporting with the new includes Microphase Corporation. The CEO stated, "We continue to see strength in our custom supply business as our order book grows." Very positive things right here, guys. So you can see there's a reason on why DPW is running. Now, it didn't really do too much at the start, but then our big volume pop came on in and got the stock on the map. As I said, I wasn't in on this first initial run-up, but I'm smart enough as a trader to not buy in at the first initial run-up, knowing that the stock just went from 65 cents all the way up to $1 and without having some sort of pullback. The stock's going to have some sort of pullback where it went from $1 all the way down to 85 cents. Where did I buy the stock again? I bought the stock at 87 cents. So this right here, I bought the stock at 87 cents. I bought 8,000 shares, 87 cents, got out at 94 cents, both on limit orders. Because if a stock's underneath $1 on E-Trade, you can't do a market order. You can only do a limit order. So what did I look for? I said, hey, what's my best bounce play opportunity? The stock went up to $1. Where can I buy the stock at? Okay, well, let's look at the most recent area where the stock hasn't been able to break out of. Because if we haven't been able to break out of it, old resistance holds up as new support. Old resistance holds up as new support. So what am I going to be doing? Running up, looking for old resistance. Well, here's an upper shadow, which indicates old resistance. That's at 85 cents. Where did the stock bounce at, guys? Bounced at 85 cents. So I said, hey, I want to make sure I at least get into this play. Maybe if I set a limit order at 85 cents, it's not going to get filled. So let's go 86 or even, safer, which could lead to less money, 87 cents. So I went 87 cents. The stock came down. It filled me, and then it started moving back on up, guys. Really just because the bounce play off this off this upper shadow from March 3rd showed me that this was old resistance, which means this is going to hold up as new support. So that's where I found the bounce play at 85 cents. It ran all the way up towards $1.05. I got out at 94 cents, 8,000 shares from 87 cents. Up to 94 cents equals out to $553.94. That 94 cents is important, guys. It can buy you a Big Mac or something on the dollar menu if you guys are into that. So make sure you guys always try to squeeze out as much profit as you guys can. Other than that, though, guys, we did get a very nice run up all the way up to 105. Good job. Very happy. But most likely the stock is going to start fading. Still holding around 85 cents, but I'm not expecting, too much more out of this play unless it really starts building some higher lows. Then it could look for a nice possible pop from there. Just wanted to go into a quick little update to let you guys know exactly how this play was found, how I found 85 cents, and 105 usually is a very strong natural resistance line after breaking $1. Usually has to break 105 to really bring in a lot of volume. On a Friday, I'm surprised we still even saw this big of a rip on a Friday because lack of press releases, lack of traders, lack of volume, all equal to more scary, more risky trading. So played it on a bounce play, didn't chase the stock, got a bounce play, sold right where it came up, right near around the highs again, and I just locked in my profit when I had it. So awesome job, guys. Awesome job, awesome work. Way to lock in your profit today. If that was either on CHFS or DPW, great work.